Here are two test tubes for performing the oxide test using methyl orange indicator. To start, 1 milliliter of ethanol is added to both the sample aldehyde and ketone test tubes. Now 5 drops of an unknown aldehyde and ketone are added to their respective test tubes. Next, a couple drops of methyl orange indicator are added to both test tubes, resulting in an initial color of yellow-orange. Finally, after mixing each test tube, 1 milliliter of 1 molar hydroxylamine hydrochloride is added to both test tubes, resulting in a red solution, a positive test for confirming an aldehyde or ketone. When compared to the negative result in the control test tube, which as seen here remains a yellow solution. Note, a water bath should be used to confirm a ketone if a yellow solution is initially observed after adding all the reagents to the test sample.